Are your sales teams still stuck in the spray and pray era? Traditional prospecting often misses the mark, wasting time and resources on uninterested leads. Discover how AI is transforming B2B sales, making every outreach precise, personal, and powerful. Many B2B companies still rely on volume-driven prospecting, sending hundreds of leads to prospects who may not be interested. This spray and pray strategy lacks precision, timing, and personalization. It leads to low conversion rates and significant wasted effort. Consider cold calling, which has a success rate of just 2.3%. While personalization can improve this, it often compromises the volume of outreach. This is where AI steps in, offering a solution to scale personalization. AI is rapidly transforming lead generation with advanced predictive analytics, intent data tracking, and machine learning. These capabilities empower sales teams to prospect with unprecedented precision. AI sales development representatives, SDRs, are now agile, scalable, and advanced. Thanks to natural language processing and large language models, AI can understand and interpret human language at the highest level. This allows AI agents to sound human, connecting with prospects in entirely new ways. Traditional lead scoring can be subjective, leading to missed opportunities. AI lead scoring, however, analyzes vast data sources for objective accuracy. It considers behavioral data, firmographics, engagement history, and intent signals. Tools like AnyBiz use segmentation to analyze prospect behavior and engagement levels. This enables more targeted communication, shortening lengthy sales cycles. It optimizes efficiency and improves conversion rates, especially for industries like SaaS and fintech. AI-driven tools excel at tracking every prospect interaction, from initial outreach to follow-ups. AnyBiz, for example, offers a website visitor tracker. This helps identify high-potential leads who have already shown interest. AI analyzes engagement patterns to predict buying intent, triggering outreach at the peak of a prospect's interest. Predictive analytics interprets historical data, confirming which leads are most likely to convert. This is crucial for industries with specific customer requirements, like cybersecurity. Effective B2B prospecting requires mastering multiple communication channels. Each prospect has a preferred mode, whether it's email, LinkedIn, or cold calls. AI assistants can seamlessly manage this complexity. AnyBiz's AI sales agent leverages a database of over 400 million personas for multi-channel outreach. It uses email for initial contact, LinkedIn for professional connections, and AI cold calls for high-intent prospects. This ensures consistent communication across the buyer journey. Manual personalization is effective but difficult to scale. Generic templates often feel impersonal and robotic. AI tools, however, enable hyper-personalization at scale without compromising authenticity. AnyBiz's AI agent can be customized for messaging, language, and tone of voice. You can personalize email introductions, LinkedIn messages, and even choose the language your prospect is most comfortable with. This allows sales teams to engage thousands of leads with relevant, tailored communication. While manual prospecting remains foundational, AI tools like AnyBiz elevate it to new heights. AnyBiz stands out with its advanced AI sales agent. This agent is capable of performing strategic outreach activities that drive deals and profits. Unlike other systems that still require human SDRs, AnyBiz's AI sales agent handles the heavy lifting. It's a complete solution designed to transform your sales process. Ready to revolutionize your lead generation and sales automation? Visit anybiz.io today to book a demonstration meeting or try our product. Start your trial for just $0.99 and unlock the future of B2B prospecting.